when it comes to the workshop owners taking responsibility for their teams, how do you think they can keep the technicians engaged in their careers and happy about their careers?
This is probably the most difficult question you've asked me so far, because there's no one hard and fast rule. And because I've been a business owner for so long and employed so many people, I'm always looking for better ways to keep the team spirit up in my workshop, and better ways of keeping everybody to get along with each other. I think the key fundamental is the leader, the business owner, the business manager, the leader in that workshop has to take time out to take once a fortnight, once a month, sit down with each individual mechanic for 10 minutes, 15 minutes in an official but non-condescending environment, if I can use the right word. But to have a private conversation on where they're going, how they fit, what are they comfortable with, is there any challenges, what can I do to help you to make your day better and enjoy coming to work every day more so.
Jeff, there was an interesting conversation in episode 1 of Evolve TV where the word network came up quite a lot. And what you're describing is the owners tapping into the network of their business within their business and understanding what's going on.
You've got it. You put it in the right words. It's just, it is, because it is an internal network, and every part of it, every part of that, those cogs have got to mesh to make the workflow flow, to make the business flow, to get those vehicles in that workshop, booked in from the front office through that workshop, repaired and delivered back to those happy customers at the end of the day. And it takes teamwork. It takes a lot of coordinating from every person involved in it. So, yes, communication is king, I believe.
Okay, so I do have an interesting question, because when it comes to remuneration for top technicians looking for jobs, we know it's not the most important thing, but it is important. How do workshops afford to pay for these technicians and get the good ones?